Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this cabinet here. This is the YOURLITE shoe cabinet, narrow with the 3 flaps. It is a shoe tipper and the height adjustable partitions are possible in that. This shoe shelf in black comes with 3 fabric boxes. It's space-saving shoe chest of a drawers for hallways in 132 to 81 to 24 centimeter in black. It's a space miracle. The narrow and the height is 132 to 81 to 24 centimeter. This slim shoe rack makes the optimal use of the room height and saves the valuable space in the hallway or entrance area. The shallow depth of the 24 centimeters either for narrow corridors. Stable 15 to 50 millimeter iron pipes with adjustable feet ensures a firm footing of even on uneven floors. That's possible because of the adjustability. And with a high capacity, that device here comes with a space for up to 24 pairs of shoes. The main part consists of 3 spacious folding compartments, each with about 6 to 8 pairs of shoes, ideal for the whole family. Thanks to the large front flaps, 58.5 to 34.5 centimeter, even larger shoe sizes, up to approximately size of 45, can be stored comfortably without being squeezed. And this is a clever 2-1 combination. We open the shelf and the fabrics of 3 boxes. The left segment offers an open level, each is 25.5 centimeter. 3 of these compartments can be used flexible with the supplied fabric baskets, either for keys, scarves, car products, and care products too, or open for the bags and decoration. This allows quick access and more order in the hallway. And we have a maximum of flexibility throughout the adjustable partitions. Each of the 3 folding components is equipped with a flexible interior partition. Easily adjust the layout to our 2 types. Whether sneakers, boots, or sandals, this variable division ensures an optimal use of space and clear origination. And stability and safety first. The raised bottom of 9.5 centimeter is reinforced with an additional base plate that ensures a firm stand and even the weight distribution. An included anti-tail protection is especially essential in households with children or in narrow hallways and provides additional safety. Oh yeah, that means here, YOURLITE, Elegant Life. We can discover a better version of ourselves if we install this for us, because we have here a multifunctional shoe cabinet. Diverse storage spaces. Maybe there is a plant stand on it, or a tail protection in it. That means flexible flap design with an adjustable partitions. They're adjustable and removable insert for different shoe types. And the left shelf with 4 levels. That's for flexible use too. The multifunctional shoe cabinet with 3 hidden handles, in which the keys, the wallets, or other small items can be stored. Flowers and decoration can be placed on the desk on the side iron shelves. You see, it's really nice to get this into the house because it's easy to use. Maybe the installation process is a little bit work, of course. I think approximately 1 hour. Then this device can have your attention at home. This is the YOURLITE shoe cabinet, narrow with 3 flaps and a shoe tipper and high adjustable partitions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!